Then, ladies and gentlemen, I want to touch on a very serious subject: cooperation and safety of City of Cape Town firefighters. The City of Cape Town firefighters with the big trucks, those men and ladies, risk their lives every time they get into that truck to race to come quickly to a fire. Sometimes they come a bit late because they received the call late or the roads are blocked. It's difficult to get into the area. Then people throw them with stones.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is unacceptable. You as Neighborhood Watch, as team leaders and as volunteers must please make sure these brave men and ladies can do their work properly. They know what they are doing, they are trained to do this work. The relationship between the firefighters and the community must be a good relationship. These people are coming to save lives and save houses.